I'm just another stranger in another Midwest town. But the girl at the fabric store likes me around. She's gonna help me get my feet back on the ground. Now you're teaching me to cruise your manual to Corolla. I'm gonna stall at 20 times on the shore and drive to Viroqua. Don't worry, I'm sure I can get it by Minnesota. Would it really be the end of the world to check out California? Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. Well, there's never been much to see in Prairie du Chien, but your silhouette is golden from lights you had woven through the evergreen. Now you're dancing to Sinatra, I'm trying to fix my left feet. Would it really be all that bad to ask you to marry me? Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. When we're feeling all old and gray and I don't recognize my face, wrap me in that raggedy quilt you gave me on Christmas Day. When we feel like we've got both feet in the grave, remember